Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I want to talk about template compile project formats in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Some of the compile formats in Scrivener 3 templates are project formats rather than Scrivener formats. These templates work a little differently if you want to change the format, because they're already custom formats. In other words, if you go in and change something, you're changing the template format for that project, rather than creating your own and keeping the original. Even if you change the status to My Formats, you'll be getting rid of the original. This might be okay for you if you're sure you're not going to want to go back to the default. However, if you're not sure and want to keep the original, you'll need to create your new format slightly differently from just double-clicking on the section layout panel. Instead, right-click on the format you want to change in the list on the left and select Duplicate and Edit Format from there. Then you'll get a copy, and you're good to experiment away. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.